is Harsh. I'm a business guy. I'm looking for a developer. One of the biggest stories around now is, how do we engage with our friends or connections? Facebook gives us that. Obviously, we are also looking at the same time. A lot of us can do with making new connections. We want new connections. So there's this. The idea is Buzzhook, which basically allows you to jump and create a new connection on an online platform. So your basis on your topic of interest, you create a new buzz flow. People jump onto that. You have a chat kind of a discussion with a whole lot of people. You like somebody, you get onto one-on-one discussion, and you hopefully find a connection for a long term. So that's how you make new connections on Buzzhook. Thank you. So I'm looking for developers and designers.
I'm Tarun, I'm a business guy. My idea is about, it's called Art House. For decades, even centuries, art has been dealt in the same way through auction houses. The underlying value of any piece of art is basically due to the perception of the prospective customers. What I want to do through the use of technology is to segregate, is to change the way art is valued, is to give it a fair ground for amateurs as well as the so-called experts, so that it benefits the sellers and the buyers. The valuation of any art basically comes from the perception of the fellow who's made it, which is given a lot of weightage, more than what the actual art is. So my idea is to actually reduce the weightage given to the fellow who's actually made it, and give more weightage to the art that is being showcased. So I'm looking for developers and UI designers. Thank you.
That's good. This educational initiative, I'm working with on a startup called Unacademy, where I made a set of videos to promote online education, and we can see that a lot of education is moving online. Stanford University 1 month back introduced 3 courses. These were technical courses with topics like artificial intelligence and machine learning, and around 50,000 students all across the world participated in these courses, which went through a span of 2 months. And so I created a set of videos on YouTube, which got a lot of reaction from people, and there are a high number of videos. What I now want to do is develop a web interface for that, so that people can see these online videos. The video is not loading, I'll show that to you later. So the people can see these online videos, they can learn at their own pace, they can take tests, they can track their own learning, they can compare their results with other people who are learning, and they get a rating. So, and if they get stuck at some topic, now this is one video I made on Java variable.
Let's give it up for Gaurav! My idea is interview hangout. Interview hangout is basically trying to solve a hiring problem, where you try to hire people from different cities. A small startup doesn't have money to bring people to their city to interview. So my idea is basically a Google Hangout plus a compiler, where you can ask a person on the other end using on a video conference to compile a code, and you can test it. It's basically as simple as that. It's a simple hack. I'm looking for developers and just validation. I'm not looking to make it as a startup. It's just a simple hack I'm looking for. Thank you.
Alright, let's give it up.
I'm Ankit Daftari. To clarify, there's another Ankit before. My idea is basically mobile for meetings. What happens is most of the people, they don't have, they have different platforms, Android, Nokia, Symbian, whatever. So what I want to do is make sure you never miss a meeting. It's all SMS based, it's platform independent. Basically, you schedule a meeting with the agenda, list of people, RSVP, there the model can be worked out. I'm looking for people who work with an SMS, preferably with an SMS gateway, web developers and business strategy.